Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.5. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of 4x cube root of 5 minus x squared dx. So we're going to substitute 5 minus x squared as t. So on differentiation, you get minus 2x dx is equal to dt. Now I'm going to take the value of x dx. Let's find that out. It is going to be equal to minus dt by 2. Now let's look at the integration. I'm breaking this x cube as x squared into x. For x dx, I'm going to substitute minus dt by 2. For x squared, I can find the value to be 5 minus t. So now let's make all these changes in the integration. So it is integral 4 into, I'm taking the 4 outside directly, x cube I'm breaking, remember, as x squared and x squared I'm replacing as 5 minus t. Now for the root t, so that also goes in place. Now the remaining x dx I'm substituting as minus dt by 2. So minus 1 by 2 you can take out of the integration. So this will become minus 2 integral of 5 minus t into root t dt. Now let's do the term-wise multiplication. So minus 2 integral of 5 power t to the power half, 5 into t power half, minus integral 2, minus into minus will be plus integral 2 into t to the power 3 by 2 dt. Now it's just a matter of directly integrating. Please remember, every term of the integration had to be multiplied by minus 2. So I did it in this single step itself. So this can be written as 5 into 2 is minus 10, t to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 2 into t to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus c. So firstly, let's rearrange minus 20 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 plus 4 by 5 t to the power 5 by 2 plus c. Now the t can be replaced back with 5 minus x squared. So minus 20 by 3, 5 minus x squared the whole power 3 by 2 plus 4 by 5, 5 minus x squared the whole power 5 by 2 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Here it is integral of dx divided by x minus root x. First I'm going to take root x common in the denominator. So the integral becomes dx divided by root x into root x minus 1. Now I'm going to substitute root x minus 1 is equal to t. So on differentiation, this will become 1 divided by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. So I want the value of dx divided by root x because this is what I need for substitution. So this is dx divided by root x is equal to 2 dt. So let's substitute here. So the numerator is 2 dt divided by t. So you can take the 2 outside. So it is dt divided by t. Now let's directly integrate. So this is 2 log t plus c. Put back the value of t. So t 2 into log of root x minus 1 plus c. In the next video, we'll find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.